G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And today, once again, not the video I had planned because I went shopping and I got me this thing. I don't know what it is other than the fact that it's one of those exfoliating brushes that you're supposed to use with a cleanser that makes it work better. But it's new in my supermarket. Olay Regenerist Advanced Cleansing System Specialty Cleaner. Now the reason I decided to get this one, it says it's advanced anti-aging, and it's purely and simply because I get told quite a bit that I look older than what I am. I can assure you that I am turning 23 this year, not 30 like some people seem to say to me. But I figured I'd give this little thing a go. I haven't really unboxed it or anything like that, so this could be called an unboxing video too. All I did was take the sticky bits off of the sides of it so that I actually could get into it, because that actually took me quite a bit with my sprained wrist, but oh well. So here we go, we're gonna open this thing. I'm in a really weird mood today, guys. It's interesting. Okay, so we've got our little instruction pamphlet. Cool. I paid $25 to get this tiny ass piece of shit. Okay, Olay. I guess you're really more so paying for the brush than anything, but ooh, don't fall out. Okay, so that's what that looks like. It comes with batteries. That's always a plus. It comes with batteries. This is gonna be super weird for me to do because, again, broken hand. Well, it's not broken. I don't think it is anyway. I'm pretty sure it's just sprained. Okay. Just drop that bit of plastic on the floor. This thingy madoobie bobber. See, I think to me the brush feels like it's too soft, but what do I know? Okay, I'm assuming this bit comes off somehow, so I can put the batteries, or not. Where am I putting the batteries thing? Okay, let's read the instructions because Alexis is stupid sometimes. Directions for use: installing brush head. Replace brush head every 3 months. Yeah, okay, cool. Gently rock the battery compartment side to side while pulling to release battery cover. Okay, so the battery compartment is this bit down here. It's still not coming off. I'm gonna try it with my right hand because apparently my left doesn't want to do it. Oh, there we go. Yay! Hope I didn't break it. Alright, batteries, which way do you go in? Does it say on here? Okay, that way for that one, and that way for that one, I think. That's what you want me to do, right? Yep, okay. Click that back on there. Alright, brush head. Put you on, oh, glitter on it. Clicks into place, okay. That's really slow. Oh, it has different speeds, okay. It has 2 different speeds. Okay then, sure. Alright, directions for use.
Dampen facial skin and brush head lightly with water. Dispense skin renewal cleanser in your hand and massage over face. Turn on cleansing brush and gently move around the face for approximately 60 seconds. Rinse face and brush head thoroughly with water.
Avoid contact with eyes. Okay, that's a general knowledge thing. Alright, wet my face, got it. Don't know how that's gonna work, but sure. Let's go with my right hand. And now I'm gonna take this off and wet the brush head because I don't know how the rest of it would go with water on it. Dispense skin renewal cleanser on your hand and massage over face. I can't open it. Teeth. Don't open anything with your teeth, guys. It's not a good idea. Water all over me. I don't know how much I'm supposed to be putting onto my hand. Oh, it made this really weird noise when it came out. Okay, sure. Alright. Oh, it feels weird. Oh, it's like this weird texture. I mean, I suppose you could use this on its own. It's a really weird, like, not as rough as what a sugar scrub would be, but that's the kind of vibe I'm getting from it, is a sugar scrub. God, it makes a horrible noise when it comes out of the tube. Also, I'll read it in a second when I'm done with this, but there's one thing on the box that I wanted to read to you guys that I read before I started that I was like, okay. It's probably just my mind being really childish. Alrighty. So I've massaged it into my skin. The thing on the box, okay, so here it is. Okay, so benefits up the top. Up to 4 times better cleansing than cleanser alone. Gently exfoliates. Enables better penetration of the actives containing in microsculpting cream when used together. Not a good enough excuse to use the word penetrate. Okay, I'm gonna channel my fat Amy right there. I hate that word. It gets used in basketball a lot too, penetrate. Ugh. Alright, let's see how this goes. Okay, that was a bit of a weird experience. Word of advice, guys, make sure your hair is completely brushed back, otherwise it'll get caught in the brush. So yeah, it felt ticklish and then it felt really nice. I don't really know if it's worked or not. I'm gonna wash the excess stuff off of my face and off of the brush, and I will be back in a sec, guys. Alright, I'm back. I think I got most of it off. I possibly missed some bits just because of my hand being all wrapped up and everything, but I mean, sorry, got residue makeup on my face. My face does feel a little bit cleaner. Feels nice. Feels exfoliated. No, it does feel nice. It's, again, with skincare routines, they're not, sorry, I shouldn't be touching my face so much, that's a big no-no. But with skincare routines, you've got to be really persistent with them and really keep up with what you're doing. The reason I have so many breakouts at the moment is because I actually haven't been following my normal routine like I usually do. When I follow my routine, I get no breakouts, but I missed it for a few days because of last week and that sort of thing. And yeah, I'm suffering for it now. But definitely with skincare routines, you've got to keep up. You have to keep up consistency, that's the word I was looking for. You have to be very consistent with them. And if you miss it for even one day, your skin starts hating you again. But I don't mind it. My skin does feel really refreshed now. I guess I'm just gonna have to keep using it, and I may update you guys in another video at some point. But yeah, it's a good product. I wouldn't pay full price for it. Its full price is normally about $50. I paid $25 for it. So I don't know that I pay $50 for it unless I see a genuine improvement in my skin. So I'm gonna be doing that one. Camera, stop that. I'm gonna be exfoliating with that now, probably every morning, maybe morning and night, just depends on how I feel. Probably just do every morning for now, but yeah, that was the, when I get the box, that was the Olay Regenerist Advanced Cleansing System Specialty Cleaner. And that's the advanced anti-aging stuff, because apparently I look like a 30-year-old, according to people. But yeah guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys!